Hey guys, today I got another awesome new product from Diode Dynamics. These are their HP48 LED taillight bulbs. These are the new base LEDs, but they are significantly brighter than their prior base LEDs. I'm going to be installing these today on my 2013 Hyundai Elantra DT, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to replace the bulbs. First, you want to remove these two screws right here. Look like this with little washers on them. Next, I used a flathead screwdriver with a towel. Insert it into this little gap over here, like that. Now you want to pull back and out at the same time. And it should come out something like that. Just like that. As you can see, there are clips back here. The clip right in there. The screws. There's more clips down there. There's also screws to access the that hold the bumper in place. The bumper cover, that is. So yeah. Alright, once you get this removed, you'll see on the back that there's multiple bulbs, one for the turn signals, one for the taillight. Now this bottom one is the one you want to remove, not the orange one, this bottom one. So you want to twist it and pull it out, and it'll look like this. Then you want to remove the bulb by turning it as well. It should pop right out. It should look something like this. And you want to get your replacement bulb. Which is this one. Has a diffusing lens on it. Insert that back in the same way you took it out. Push in and twist. It'll go in fairly snugly. And reinsert that back in. And then twist. And that's tightly in there. Then you're going to reinsert the taillight housing by pushing back. Should snap into place. And then don't forget to reinsert these two screws. Okay guys, so I'm going to run through all the lighting examples you can have, I guess. Right now the lights are on, and I have replaced this outside bulb with the LED, and the rest are just the incandescents. So here's examples of all the lighting possibilities you can have. So as you can tell, they seem to be slightly brighter like right now, but with the taillights they are slightly dimmer while using the brake lights. So I'm going to replace the other one and show you guys the finished example. Okay, so here's what the finished product looks like. Alright, so as you guys can tell, the LEDs are somewhat for instance, right now the LEDs are somewhat brighter right now. They have a different, you know, pattern of light, I guess you could say. And when the brake lights are on, they're ever so slightly dimmer than these stock bulbs, but you get the instant on off of LEDs and stuff like that. So there it is, guys. Give you another angle. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time.